In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Thinkorswim Analyze Tab. We'll walk through the essential workflow so you can quickly visualize profit and loss before placing a trade and understand how price changes might affect your position. First, open the Thinkorswim desktop app. Once you're in, look toward the top of the platform and click on the Analyze tab. This is the hub for scenario testing, and by default, you'll land on the risk profile, which is exactly where we want to be. In the risk profile, start by entering a symbol in the symbol field. Type the ticker you want to analyze and press Enter. This loads the underlying price information and makes the option chain accessible for building a what-if scenario. Next, add a simulated trade. The simplest way to do this is to open the option chain and click directly on a strike to simulate buying or selling that option. If you're evaluating the stock itself, you can choose stock. And if you prefer to explore a predefined strategy, you can select one from the available choices. As soon as you add that simulated position, you'll see the chart update in real time. The graph displays PL curves, showing potential profit or loss across different underlying prices. The horizontal axis is price, and the vertical axis is profit and loss in dollars. The curved line represents how the simulated position could behave at a given point in time. You'll often see a marker for the current price, so you can immediately gauge where your risk and potential reward begin relative to today's level. To explore what-if scenarios, use the price slices. These are the vertical lines over the price axis. Click and drag a price slice left or right to test how your PL might change if the underlying moves to that new level. As you move the slice, watch the readouts update to reflect potential profit or loss at that specific price. This is especially useful for identifying approximate break-even regions and understanding directional exposure without committing any capital. A few practical tips as you work. Aim to test multiple price locations with the slices to see both moderate and larger moves. Consider how your simulated trade responds above and below the current price to visualize risk on both sides. And keep in mind, these are theoretical estimates. Real market results can differ due to factors like volatility, liquidity, and execution. That's the core workflow. Open the platform, click Analyze, enter your symbol, add a simulated trade from the option chain or stock or strategy, watch the PL curves appear, and then drag the price slices to explore outcomes before you trade.